Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I want to show how to configure or install Hyper-V management in Windows PC. Hyper-V is the one kind of virtual machine where we install any kind of OS or any kind of things. It is operate virtually another machine. It is imagine the machine, but practically not. This Hyper-V is a virtual machine. So let's do it for our lab. So let's do our lab. First we go to the control panel. You search the control panel, and my desktop has a control panel, and go to the control panel and click the program and features option, and the left side is here the left side is turn Windows on or off, and click this turn this feature, and here is the Hyper-V option, that is unclick. And now you click this Hyper-V and press OK. Now this Hyper-V is configuring, and install your PC. Please wait some time to install this Hyper-V option. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel. One like and one subscribe is inspiration for me to create a new video. Now it is installing. It is installing, please wait. After finish this installing, it says restart now or don't restart. Please restart your PCs, otherwise it's not working. Now I am restart my PC. After complete my restart, my PC is open, and go to the control panel and select program and features. Then you click turn Windows feature on or off, and check your Hyper-V configuration is clicked. That's mean it's installed successfully. Now we go to the Windows bar and search Hyper-V. then there is a Hyper-V management option. Now see, there is a left side this Hyper-V management, and the that's downs is desktop 8G810. This is my PC. This now we check our PC is this PC is yes or not. Now check my Hyper-V management desktop name and my PC's desktop name are same. Now we click desktop name, and right side we create a new option. That's click new option, and again click the virtual machine. This virtual machine is create a new virtual machine. There is a many option to step by step. Then we click next, and there is a machine Hyper-V machine name and generation are selected, then RAM are selected, then configuration networking are selected. Then next our create a machine name and your location. Then you select our OS, click browse and select your OS. Now we select Windows 10 and open. Then we select next, and all are those are shows what we are doing. Now we click the finish. This way, that's why you are applying and create a new virtual machine. Then you operate your virtual machine, and this main windows, and we create a second windows. This it is virtually. We can set up and work anything in this virtual machine. Now we complete our setup Hyper-V install, and we working all those things. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel, because your one like and one subscribe is inspiration for me. And if you like and subscribe my channel, I want to keep my another video and create another video, and it is my it is my inspiration. So thank you very much, and thanks for watching this video.